Today I'm going to explain to you what Evernote is and how it can be used in the classroom. To start, Evernote is a note-taking application on your computer or laptop that allows you to take notes and organize them into different notebooks. This is a very easy tool and it's very effective. So to start, how do you make a note? Notes can be made by pressing this icon with a plus sign in the top left corner that says New Note. Here you can title your note whatever you want. Um, Type whatever you want in the text box. You can change the font, the size, and anything really you could do in like a Word document. So I'm going to press cancel because I have some made already. So I have several that include like some of my dancing ones, as well as lessons, and even some articles, which I'm going to show you how to get those in here later. So after you know where your note, how to make a note, your notes can be found on the left-hand side under Notes, which is where I am right now, and these can be even more categorized into notebooks. So here you can go to Notebook by pressing this little green arrow up here, or you can go over here and click on whichever one you want. So to start, here's my dance one. It just has some quick, easy ones, just reminders about my practices, my basketball performances, tryouts, stuff like that, as well as a notebook about like my personal things, family, clubs, and then there's one about writing lessons. This one we're going to focus on because it has some of the more in-depth ideas with Evernote. So I have lesson 1 through 5, and I also have 2 writing um, articles. So you can see that this one has already been annotated, highlighted, put some notes in there. So to do this, you're going to find an article online and download Evernote Web Clipper. Once you download that, you'll see that there is an elephant in the top right hand corner. This you click on and it will clip it to Evernote if you press save. So since I've already done that, it can be found in my notebook that I put it in. After this, you can go through it. If you are not on a MacBook, you can highlight whatever you want, but those on a MacBook, if you want to, you might have to either bold it or underline it, or both, italicize it. You can do it like that. But if you're on a PC, you can do highlighting like I did in this first one. You can also add these little text box looking squares by clicking on the code block. So this you can either write in like that, or if you really think something's important, you can code block it like that, so you can tell the difference. These are the main features of Evernote, but there are so many more. You can also tag. So tags, I have writing, lesson, classroom. I could even put article, and that is a way to categorize them if you look on the left-hand side as well. So I have all of these. So I hope that kind of gives you a rundown on Evernote and how it can be used in your classroom.